I take a shower every morning. I take a shower every morning. I greet my neighbors on my way out. I greet my neighbors on my way out. I stretch my body after waking up. I stretch my body after waking up. I fold the laundry after it dries. I fold the laundry after it dries. I answer questions during class. I answer questions during class. I visit the bank on my lunch break. I visit the bank on my lunch break. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I ride my bicycle to the park. I ride my bicycle to the park. I water the plants on the balcony. I water the plants on the balcony. I send emails every morning. I send emails every morning. I play with my children after dinner. I play with my children after dinner. I get out of bed slowly. I get out of bed slowly. I attend a meeting at 10 o'clock. I attend a meeting at 10 o'clock. I dry my hair with a towel. I dry my hair with a towel. I cut vegetables for the salad. I cut vegetables for the salad. I check the weather before leaving. I check the weather before leaving. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. I speak English with my classmates. I speak English with my classmates. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I take the elevator to my office. I take the elevator to my office. I plan tomorrow before I sleep. I plan tomorrow before I sleep. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I ask questions when I don't understand. I ask questions when I don't understand. I set the table before dinner. I set the table before dinner. I run in the park on weekends. I run in the park on weekends. I turn off the lights before bed. I turn off the lights before bed. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. I read the news on my phone. I read the news on my phone. I clean the kitchen every evening. I clean the kitchen every evening. I drive to work every morning. I drive to work every morning. I help my sister with her homework. I help my sister with her homework. I listen to my teacher carefully. I listen to my teacher carefully. I mop the floor once a week. I mop the floor once a week. I use public transportation to work. I use public transportation to work. I visit my friends on weekends. I visit my friends on weekends. I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work. I take notes during meetings. I take notes during meetings. I vacuum the living room on Sundays. I vacuum the living room on Sundays. I wait for the bus at the corner. I wait for the bus at the corner. I write in my journal before bed. I write in my journal before bed. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I use a computer for my work. I use a computer for my work. I wash fruits before eating them. I wash fruits before eating them. I walk to school with my brother. I walk to school with my brother. I charge my phone at night. I charge my phone at night. I look in the mirror before leaving. I look in the mirror before leaving. I type reports for my boss. I type reports for my boss. I dust the furniture on weekends. I dust the furniture on weekends. I stretch before I exercise. I stretch before I exercise. I pack my bag the night before. I pack my bag the night before. I learn English every day. I learn English every day. I iron my shirt before work. I iron my shirt before work. I lock the door before leaving. I lock the door before leaving. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I play sports on the weekend. I play sports on the weekend. I water the garden in the evening. I water the garden in the evening. I answer emails every morning. I answer emails every morning. I walk the dog after dinner. I walk the dog after dinner.